The first of these values is harmony. In a way, our earth is one big nest. Yatra Vishwam Bhavati Ekanidam. You and I, all of us, are responsible for taking care of this nest, the same way birds do. But how could that be possible? How are we all birds of a single nest? We come from different countries, different generations, different cultures, but we are all children of God. Vayam Amrutsaya Putraha. And because we are all children of God, we are all one family. Vasudeva Kutumbakam. In our global nest, there is a place for every country, every culture, and every person. Each person has a unique role to play. Just how each twig, branch, and leaf is integral for holding the nest together. When all of us come together, we can create something that's bigger than each of us individually. As birds of this single nest, it's our duty to live in harmony with one another and contribute towards global unity. The efforts for global harmony have also been made by many great figures of the past. Their efforts have been recognized in the Jagatipith, or the base of the Mahamandir. These advocates are world-renowned individuals who have fostered harmony in their communities and beyond. The Akshardham is a shrine to inter-religious harmony, and within its Jagatipith lies the images of Guru Nanak, Mahavir, Gautam Buddha, Confucius, and Vyas Muni. Similarly, Akshardham recognizes the contributions by the Sufi poets Jalaluddin Rumi and Rabia towards harmony. At the same time, civil society can play a major role in advocating for harmony within the world. Individuals such as Martin Luther King Jr. and Albert Einstein are also displayed within the Jagatipith. Their fierce advocacy for racial justice and world peace, respectively, has led to an equitable and safer world. Akshardham is a beacon for harmony that knows no borders, no divides, and no differences. Its values have stood the test of time, passed from one generation to the next. And it's precisely because of this commitment to harmony that Akshardham inspires the next generation of global servants.